Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again to do another video for my cruise that's coming up. It's just over 30 days away and I can't wait. I'm so excited. Literally, I can't wait. As you saw in my previous video, I showed you guys everything that I had gotten at that time and just stored it in my suitcase at the time being, and that's all still in there. I'll pack when it gets closer. But my husband and I yesterday just ordered stuff from Amazon for the trip, and it came today because, you know, Amazon basically lives in everybody's backyard and can just drop everything off the second you hit pay. But yeah, we got a few more things that I had learned to purchase through other videos, and I wanted to show them to you guys, especially because this came to roughly like 70 bucks, and it was a lot of pretty important stuff. To start, I know that in the other video I showed we had got from the dollar store some plugs to use, some outlets to use for when we need to charge our phones and stuff like that, but my husband was nervous because they were $1, that they might not work that well, so he wanted to get another one. It came in this little packet from Amazon, and I've seen some people have it before. By the way, I just opened this box, so I haven't even looked at any of this stuff yet. I'm gonna look at it with you guys. But yeah, it's this little cube. Ooh, not bad. This little cube. It's got that's a little bright there, a little power button. It's got USBs. It's got a bunch of outlets. There's like 3 of them, and a pretty long wire, it looks like. Came in this nice little package with, you know, instructions on the power device. Again, you always want to make sure you're not allowed to bring surge protectors. So this is not a surge protector, it's just a power cord, and that should be allowed on the cruise. So this one's pretty nice, and now we're going to move on to the next one, which is, okay, so from what I've heard, you know, because we're going to be traveling possibly to different time zones, that there's, you know, real time and then there's ship time, and it doesn't matter what real time is, you have to go by your ship time. So I'm hoping to find a way to program this to the ship time for when I'm out and about, but for in the room purposes, we got a travel alarm clock to have in our room, and it's pretty good. It's got a travel mode, clear display with light, alarm with snooze, and a flip out stand. And I'm opening it up. It comes in some bubble wrap, and yeah, this is pretty big. Screen protector, needs batteries. It looks like 2 AAA, not bad. And it's got a little power switch on the back. And yeah, looks like this folds out and it just sits like that. That's good, that's cool. And then of course the instructions as well. Let's see here, yep, perfect. So I'm gonna slide that over here. And then what's next? Oh yes, especially, I can't sleep without a fan on. And we're in an interior room, so we don't have like the option to open in windows or doors, so someone suggested getting a portable fan, and that's what we did. We got, this is the package it came in, and it's tiny. It's a little smaller than I thought in the picture, but it looks like it'll do the job. You can either use batteries, which I think is 2 AAA as well, or if we have the spare outlet, it comes with a plug. And there's, I thought there's a light, or I don't know what this thing is. What's this? It came with like this little, I saw it in the picture of it, but there's just like this blue thing sitting on the side of it. I don't know what it is. let's see, user manual. Oh, this is the battery. Never mind, okay. So this is the battery, it just goes in and then you charge it and it should work on off. Charging, oh, you could just like charge it up and then use it. Cool, pretty cool. So that's that. I got 2 more things. So I heard, you know, it's windy on the pool deck, and you know, you want to put a towel down if you save yourself a chair or anything like that, that you're gonna need something to clip it. Now I ordered these. It's 8-pack beach towel clips. And I'm a little disappointed in Amazon because it came open already. I didn't do that yet. Okay then, let's see though. The seal was broken. But these are towel clips. I've seen a lot of people post about them, and I mean, it looks like all of them are here. Oh, there we go. You just slide them off and they're pretty big. And they're different colors, so you can use them to hold your towel down on your chair and identify where your chair is. That's pretty cool. And the last thing I need, I lied, I got, oh, I got 2 more things. I forgot one of the things I got. We got luggage tag holders for cruises. Since we might be checking a bag, so we gotta make sure we don't lose our stuff. And then the thing I'm most excited to try, but I'm gonna wait for my husband to make sure I do it right, is we got these bags, these little phone case bags. I thought they were supposed to come with lanyards, but oh, they did. Okay, it's in there. Let me see here. So this is supposed to be something I can put my phone in and go in the pool with, or in the ocean, which makes me nervous. I might not do it, and just use it just to hold my phone in general. But I mean, if it works, it can't hurt. Looks, just hangs on. It comes with a lanyard. It's a 2-pack we got from Amazon. If anybody wants to know any of the links of the stuff that I got, you could let me know down below. Otherwise, yeah, this is how the lanyard comes, and it comes with 2 of these, and the instructions are right inside to test it. They say always test it out before you use it to make sure it's not defective. And yeah, that was the haul this time. So I'm getting excited. It's getting closer, and I'm hoping to do more videos and things like that for you guys. Not only pertaining to the cruise, but maybe some other things. Like I might try to do some makeup tutorials if that's something you guys would be interested in, or not. I'm gonna do it anyway, but if it would be something you're interested in, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, yeah, if I get any more stuff, I'll show it off. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.